Hi everyone, we are going to discuss the first question in the database management system unit. Okay, you can see the third question set in the screen. First of all, we will read the question and let's discuss later. The owner of the Rajapaksa grocery store has decided to buy software to make his day-to-day business easier. The owner of this store has entrusted your organization to develop this software. Assume you are working as a software developer for this company and that you have been assigned to create a software database. Okay, basically this says owner of the Rajapaksa grocery shop want a software to handle his day-to-day activities in the business. According to the question, you are a software developer and what you have to do is create a database for this software. Okay, let's move to the first question. Use Rajapaksha underscore DB for the name in the database and draw an ER diagram. Okay, for this I use MySQL Workbench. I search it here and I open it. And I click on MySQL connection. Now you can see the user interface of the MySQL Workbench. To create a ER, click on the file and go to new module. Okay, now you click on the MySQL schema and give the name that given in the question. So it is given as Rajapaksha underscore DB. So I type the database name as Rajapaksha underscore DB. Okay, now the second question. Create a database table using the following data. Okay, let's create these tables in the workbench. Okay, let's create the first table. To do that, double click on here and click on the table icon and again click on the space given there. And here you can create your table. Table name is given as customer, so I type it here. Now you can add the column names. First one is cus underscore reg underscore number. Data type is varchar. And the length is 10. Second one is first underscore name. Data type is varchar and length is also 45. Third one is last underscore name. Data type is varchar and length is again 45. Fourth one is gender. Data type is varchar and length is 10. Last one is contact underscore number. Data type is varchar and the length is 10. Okay, now you can see the table that we have created. The first one is done. Okay, let's create the second table. To do that, again click on the table icon and click on the space given there. Here you can create the table. Table name is product. Okay, first column name is product underscore ID. Data type is varchar. And the length is 10. And the second column name is product underscore name. And the data type is varchar and length is 45. Okay, the second table is also done. Let's create the third table. Again click on the table icon and click on the space. Now you can create the table here. Table name is brand. And the first column name is brand underscore ID. Data type is varchar and the length is 10. Second column name is brand underscore name. Data type is varchar and length is 45. Okay, the third table is also done. Okay, now we are going to read the third question. Customers who come to this store can buy as many items as they like. The store owner says all purchased items must be stored in a database with a record. Design the database accordingly. Use the ER diagram for this. Okay, in this shop, customers buy products many times. So owner wants a table to store these invoice records. To do that, using ER diagram, we should create relationships among tables. Here, customer can buy many products. When considering the other side, one product also can have many customers. So here, customer table and product table has a many-to-many relationship. In database, many-to-many relationships cannot exist. So when we create that relationship, it generates another new table. Between customer table and product table. And also I changed the table name as invoice. New table generate one-to-many relationships with the customer table and the product table. In the new table, primary keys are the primary keys of the customer table and the product table. Actually, if we use these primary keys, unnecessary data duplication will be occur. So to reduce that, we create a new primary key called ID and the other keys left as foreign keys. And we set it to auto increment. We create the relationship among the product table and the brand table. So in there, one product has only one brand and one brand can have many products. So in there, product table and brand table have a one-to-many relationship. Okay, ER diagram is done. Then we should create the database. So to do that, go to database in the navigation bar and then go to forward engineer and click on next and next and next. After you finish that, go to schemas. Okay, now refresh the schemas. Then you can see the database that we created using the ER diagram. We create the database using ER diagram in the first one and we create all these tables in the second one. And then we done the third one. So the question set 3 is finished. Thank you.